Guys, welcome back to my channel MiTutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to look up values with multiple criterias. For example, I have in this sample data, I have state, segment and sales amount. So I'm trying to fetch the sales amount for state California and segment corporate. So if you look here, we have three segments for the state California, that's consumer, corporate and home office. However, I would like to know the sales amount for California and corporate, right? So this cannot be done by a simple VLOOKUP, because with VLOOKUP you can only match one condition. But I'm going to teach you a simple formula with which you can look up the state, segment and get the sales amount. So let's get started. I'm going to start with typing in is equals to. I'm going to open the bracket here and then I'm going to select the entire range of over here of the state, press F4 and then say is equals to California. Okay, and then I'm going to close the bracket here and add in a multiply or a star sign over here. And then repeat the same thing here for segment. I'm going to open the bracket, select the entire segment section, press F4 is equals to segment. Okay, I'm going to close the bracket, use multiply sign and then select the sales amount over here and press F4 and make sure that this is also in the bracket. Okay, and then when you do this and press enter, you will see a list of values here that is generated. However, the value that we want is over here, but we want that in the sales cell over here, right? So for that, what we will do is we will simply use the SumProduct formula and then open bracket here and then close bracket here and press enter. So when you do that, you will see that for the state California and corporate, we have the amount that is 206174 that is generated right over here. Now I've made this formula really simple because if I had started from SumProduct, it would be a little difficult for you to understand. So I've really broken it down in the way that you would understand it very easily. So likewise, you can go on and adding multiple criterias. Let's say if you had another criteria here, maybe something else, right? Maybe ABC, for example, here you can simply add in the star over here, open the bracket and do the same thing what I did over here and continue adding multiple criterias. I hope this video has helped you. You've learned something new today. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more such tutorials.